Your Windows 11 sound is secretly set to average. One hidden window command unlock the better audio in just a 10 seconds. Watch this. Step number 1. Press the Window plus R key. So in this slide, type this simple command mmsys.cpl. Then simply click on the OK tab. So in this slide, simply choose your connected audio device. So click on the speaker tab, then click on the properties tab, and then after this you have to simply click on the advanced tab. So in this slide, make sure you have to choose the second option, 24-bit, and here simply check this box, enable the audio enhancement, then click on the OK tab, and boom, after this your Windows 11 audio sound much more better than before. But wait, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.